Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ala. Today I am doing a comparison of two Dior blushes. One is the pink and one is the cherry. I'm going to be applying them and swatching them, and you guys will get a good idea of what these two blush colors look like on fair olive golden skin tone. I'm going to also pair them with, this is cool tone blush, so I'm going to pair it with a cool toned lip gloss. And for the warm toned blush, I will pair it with a warm toned lip gloss. I will start with just arm swatches. This is the pink. Wanted to show you guys particularly if these same colors that are working for every other neutral toned person out there, if it works the same for olive skin and fair golden olive, to be more specific. And this is cherry. They are both sheer but buildable, and there's definitely a transparency to this formula, which is one of the reasons I love them so much. But I wanted to kind of put them into action so you can see what they look like. I will first apply the cool tone blush on both cheeks, and then I'll do the cool tone lip. Let's just start with the lip. This is the Milk Makeup Odyssey Lip Oil in the shade Soul Search. That's really pretty. I love scent, the formula, really everything about it. And I will start with this pink. And here it is, basically built up with two layers. The Dior Rosy Glow blush in pink. I think that it also suits this particular olive golden tone skin tone. It's just one of those colors, not just the color, but it's the formula itself. Because it's transparent, then your own skin comes through. I know on some people it turns a little bit warmer, and I could see where it could appear that way, but on me, I still see the cool tone blue in the blush. So this is a really, really pretty wearable everyday color. It just adds like that rosiness that brings kind of the youthful life to the face, and it's just really, really pretty, and they last all day. They look good all day. They don't fade in a bad way. Now I'll apply cherry to both cheeks with another fluffy brush. This is the Dior Cherry Lip Oil. This is the combo that I just put on. As for the cherry, this is only one layer built. Well, I mean, I kind of just built it up with the brush, but it's only one layer of blush. Definitely more pigmented right off the bat for a fair skin tone person, but it also has that transparent, translucent, beautiful sheer color where your own freckles will come through and you can see your skin. It's just a very beautiful, out of the two, I think they both would suit anybody for sure. I picked these two because they looked the most different from my natural blush, I suppose. The Rosewood one, it kind of looks just like my natural blush, and I have a lot of blushes that just turn that color, so I wasn't interested in it. But these two are a wonderful addition that creates a different custom look if you want to your makeup. It's up to you which one you guys think would suit you, whether the cherry or the pink. Let me know if either of these would work for you, if you guys are already enjoying them. I definitely do. I love this blush and it always makes me feel really, really good when I wear them. It's just like a good day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short tutorial and try on and review. Have a wonderful day. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.